Hello, this is Shwanshu. In this video, I will teach you how to set up and install ChatSnap with Firebase. Let's get started. So now, first thing is that if you want to change the name of the app, you have to go to the app. Then under the app, you have to go to the resource, and under resource, you have to go to the values, and the values you have to go to the strings. And over here, you have to change the app name. Let's say I'm gonna change it to Snapchat, and then the app name has been changed. Now, second thing, if you want to change the app package name, then you have to click on this and you have to uncheck this. Now you can change the package name. So let's say I'm going to change this chat snap to something else. So I'm gonna left click on it. I'm gonna go to refactor, rename package. Then I'm gonna change it to Snapchat. I'm going to do refactor. So yeah, and click on do refactor. So now the package name has been changed to Snapchat. Same you can do with this space to the middle name. You can go to rename and then you can change it if you want. And then the second thing is if you want to change the logo, then you have to click on this resource, left click on this, and you have to go to the new image asset. Then you can change the logo. Like if you want the logo, then you can select over here path, and I'm going to change it to, let's say, this. And then you want to change the background color. This will do the size and all. So now I'm gonna keep it. I will change it to this Twitter. We'll change the size to whatever you want. Now the second thing is now it's done. So you have to click on next, and then you have to click on finish. So the app logo has been changed. Now if you want to change this logo on this splash screen, you have to go to the resource, and in resource you have to go to the layout. Under layout you have to search for the activities splash screen, which is over here. You have to click on it. You have to split the screen, and then you have to see. Now here you can change the logo, like let's say I'm going to change it to something else. Logo was, now I'm going to keep it this. If you want to change, you can change it by pasting the logo in drawable folder over here and then changing it. Now the logo and name and the package name has been changed. So now we have to set up this app with the Firebase account. So before that, one more thing, you have to change the the uh, no, you have to change the package name. Here also, like what you have kept here, like Snapchat. So you have to change it also here. And now we have to click on sync. Now we are going to set up this app with the Firebase. So I have Firebase. So you have to create account in Firebase. It's free, so you don't have to pay anything. So now I'm going to click on add project. I'm going to name it as Snapchat. I'm going to click on continue, and then uh, continue, select I'm going to select this default account. The app has been synced, so now we are good to go. Okay, so we have to click on continue, and here we have a new project created, Snapchat, and you have to click on Android. Then you have to paste the package name over here. So I'm going to copy this in the under manifest, or you can, like you have to like type the package name. So this is the package name. This is the package name. So I'm going to copy this, which is the package name. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to type a nickname Snapchat. Then you have to paste SHA1 over here key. So for that you have to go to Gradle. You have to it will be in the right panel over here. Click on Gradle, then you have to go to app. Under app you have to go to the tasks. Under task you have to go to the Android, and Android you have to double click on this sign in report, and so yeah, this is the SHA1 key. So you have to copy this, you have to go to the, and you have to paste it over here. You have to register the app. Now you have to download this Google service JSON. So I'm gonna paste it in a desktop. No, I'm not gonna paste it in desktop. I'm gonna paste it in over here. And remember, don't change the file name. Just keep it Google service.json. And I've saved this in E. I will save this. Then I will go to my project. I will close this. Then I will go to the E where I have saved this Google JSON file. I'm going to copy this. I have to go click on this. Then I have to click on the project. Then you have to click on the ChatSnap, open the ChatSnap, expand it, and you have to expand app. And in app, you have to left click on app, and you have to paste the file over here. So now the file has been successfully saved, pasted in the under the app. So you have to click on next, and you have to skip this text. Then you have to go to authentication part. You have to click on the sign method. Then you have to enable the email and password method. You have to save this. So now you have to go to the real-time database. You have to create a database. You have to remember one thing. You have to no wait. So now once you have created database in locked mode or any other mode, like locked mode or test mode, you have to remember one thing, that in rules, under rules, you have to set the read and write to false. Remember this, not true, false. If it's not set false, it won't work. So you have to set these read and write to false. Then to go to the storage, you have to create a new storage and you have to set the rules of this to allow read and write only. Allow read and write. That's it. You have to publish this. Okay, so now it's the Firebase storage and the real-time database has been set up. So now you have to go to the project over. You have to go to settings, project settings, and then cloud messaging. And then you have to copy this server key. You have to copy this. You have to go to the Android. You have to go to first. You have to go to the Java. Under Java, you have to go to the your app package name. Under package name, you have to go to the users, and in the users, you have to go to the chat activity, and you have to scroll down at, at the last, at the top, and at 2600 line. You have to scroll to the bottom of the page, and then yeah, you have to cut this. This is for the notification. So you have, if you want notification, then you have to change the key, which is this, your server key of your project. So you have to copy, you have to paste this over here, and so you have to go to users. You have to also to the users, the profile, and this you have to scroll to the line number 576, and you have to delete this key, and you have to paste this key over here. So now the notification system has been done. So now there is one more thing, is that notification has been done. You have set up the app with the Firebase. So yeah, the whole app is done. And if you want to change the color of the app or any other things, then you can go to the styles, sorry, colors, and you can change the color of the app over here. So yeah, the main app has been done, like the main things have been done. If you have any, like if you want to change the minor things, then you can mail me at my email address, which I will provide you at the bottom of the description. So you can mail me there if you want if you want to have any minor changes. I will help you with that. You can change the fonts over here. So yeah, the whole app has been made. So I'm gonna run this app. I'm gonna click run. So there, this will take few seconds. So I'm gonna pause the video. So yeah, the app has been installed. Like, took me 3 minutes to install. So it's installing, and uh, it's launching. So you can see the app logo which we have changed, and the app name Snapchat. Here's if you have changed the, so yeah, it's working perfectly. I will create an account. I'm so sorry that it will show if it's yeah, it will show you permission denied because I've done a mistake. So go to real-time database, and in real-time database go to rules and change this to true. I'm so sorry, you have to change this to true, both read and write. So yeah, rules have been published. I'm so sorry for that. You have to change this to true. Now I'm going to continue. So yeah, the account has been created. You can see. As you can see over here that account has been created and the app is working. So yeah, sorry, I forgot to refresh the page. Once you have refreshed the page, you will get the user and user token over here. So like the database is working, the authentication is working, you can see, and the app is also working perfectly. So yeah, so now the app is working. So now one more thing is that you can change the invite link. If you have to change the invite link, then you have to go to the this package name, and then the package name you have to go to the settings, and under settings you have to change the name, Snapchat, or like whatever the name you have chosen, you can change to that. And you have to change the URL. Mine's like this is the Play Store URL. If you are going to upload this in Play Store, then you have to paste yeah, if you are going to upload this app somewhere else, then you have to paste the URL over here. And if you want to upload this app in Play Store, then you have to change only the package, only this part. So you have to go to the manifest and you have to copy the package name, you have to change this Snapchat, and done. And if you want to create the privacy policy, so you have to go to the package name, you have to go to the privacy policy, and you can change the privacy policy over here. So you have to paste it over here. So I'm going to create a new privacy policy. Yeah, you have to go you have to like click go to this URL, app privacy policy generator.firebaseapp.com. Then you have to type the app name, contact information, personal identity information, app type free, Android, and then company name and all. You click on next, and you have to check these: Google Pay service, Google Data Analytics for Firebase, and Firebase. Then you have to click on the privacy policy. Then you have to click on the HTML because the privacy policy will be in HTML format. So you have to copy this. You have to go to the privacy policy.java, and you have to paste this between these. faced. So yeah, the privacy policy has also been updated now. The whole app has been changed and things have been done. So yeah, if you have still any doubt, if you want few minor changes, then you can mail me at the email address given in the bottom of the documentation, or comment in the product page. So thank you for watching.